Good morning, students. Today we are going to study linear equations in one variable. What does linear equation in one variable mean? First of all, you should know this. Linear equation, an equation is a statement which states two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. That means the statement of equality of two algebraic expression is an equation. Algebraic expression is a mixture of variables and constants. Variables, what do you mean by variables? Variables are the terms whose values keeps on changing, like number of days in a month. It depends on the month, which month is it. If it's January, there are 31 days. If it's February, there are 28 days in the month. So, variable and constant, what are constants? Constants are the terms whose value remains fixed, like 100, 200, 300. A statement which states that two algebraic expressions are equal is an equation. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation का क्या मतलब है? The highest power of the variable is 1. The highest power of the variable is 1. That means it should not have a term like x square, x cube, y square, y cube. It should only have x, y or z. One variable means it should only have either x, either y or either z. It cannot have more than one variables. Same quantity is added to both sides of the equation, the sums are equal. If we have an equation like x is equal to 7 and we add a to both of its sides, x plus a, then is equal to 7 plus a because we add same quantity to both the sides. So we get they are equal to each other. If same quantity is subtracted from both sides of an equation, the difference are equal. X is equal to 7. If a is subtracted on both the sides, then it becomes again equal to each other. If both the sides of an equation are multiplied by the same quantity, the products are equal. That means if we multiply a on both the sides of the equation, x is equal to 7, ax is equal to 7a. A is any constant, it can be 100, 200, 2, 3, 4, anything. If both sides of the equation are added, are divided by same quantity, the questions are equal. That means if we have an equation x is equal to 7 and we divide both the sides of the equation by a, x divided by a is equal to 7 divided by a. A is any quantity I told you, but it should be a fixed quantity, not a variable. How to solve an equation? To solve an equation of the form x is equal to a is equal to b. A and b are constants here. So let us take an example. X is equal to 4 is equal to 10. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा इस इक्वेशन को? इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे, पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We will subtract x plus 4 is equal to 10. We don't need this 4 here. So we subtract 4 from both the sides. Subtracting 4 from both the sides, we get x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 10 minus 4. 4 और 4 cancel हो जाएगा, plus 4 and minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6. To solve an equation of the form x minus a is equal to b, That means let us solve an equation where y minus 6, a and b are constants, so we take a as 6 and b as 5. So y minus 6 is equal to 5 equals y minus 6 is equal to 5. We add 6 to both the sides क्योंकि हमें ये वाला 6 minus 6 remove करना है. Adding 6 to both the sides, we get y minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 5 plus 6. That means minus 6 plus 6 cancels with each other. Y is equal to 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11. To solve an equation of the form ax is equal to b, that means we have three a and b are any constants. We take a as 3 and b as 9. So 3x is equal to 9 is the equation we have to solve. We divide 3 on both the sides. 3x divided by 3 is equal to 9 by 3. That is 3 and 3 cancels with each other. X is equal to 9 divided by 3, that is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. To solve an equation of the form x divided by a is equal to b, x by 2 is equal to 6, we have to solve. We multiply both the sides by 2. Multiplying both the sides by 2, ये 2 और 2 cancel हो जाएंगे. X is equal to 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. If an equation, an added term is transposed from one side to the other, it is subtracted. जब वो LHS में एडिशन की फॉर्म में होगा, जब हम उसे राइट हैंड साइड पे लेके जाएंगे तो वो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. दैट मींस x plus 4 is equal to 10. When we take this 4 to the other side, it gets subtracted. That means x is equal to 10 minus 4, that is equal to x is equal to 6. In an equation, a subtracted term is transposed to the other side, it is added. That means y minus 6 is equal to 5 है हमारे पास. अगर हम minus 6 को दूसरी साइड पर लेके जाएंगे तो वो एडिशन की टर्म्स में आ जाएगा. y is equal to 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11. If an equation, a term in multiplication is transposed to the other side, it is divided. 3x is equal to 12. जब हमारे पास एक इक्वेशन है, ये 3x मल्टीप्लिकेशन की फॉर्म में, अब हम इस 3 को जब हम RHS पे लेके जाएंगे तो x is equal to 12 divided by 3 हो जाएगा, that is equal to 4. In an equation, a term is in division is taken to the other side is multiplied. जब हमारे पास है y divide by 6, वो दूसरे पे जाएगा, RHS साइड पे जाएगा तो वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. y is equal to 6 into 4 हो जाएगा is equal to 12 हो जाएगा. To solve an equation using more than one property, like this, we have 3x plus 8 is equal to 14. पहले तो हमें से 8 को हटाना है, 8 को हमें दूसरी साइड पे लेके जाना है. ट्रांसपोजिंग 8, जब हम इधर प्लस है तो यहाँ जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. तो 3x is equal to 14 minus 8, that is equal to 3x is equal to 6. जब 3x, ये 3x multiplication की terms में है, when it gets transposed to the other side, it gets divided. क्योंकि multiply changes to divide. So x is equal to 6 divided by 3, that is equal to x is equal to 2. a is equal to -3 is equal to 5. ये वाला -3 इस साइड पे चला जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा, ट्रांसपोजिंग 3. 2a is equal to 8 आ जाएगा. a is equal to, ये 2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है, दूसरी साइड पे जाकर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, तो 8 डिवाइड बाय 2 दैट इज a is equal to 4. 5n डिवाइड बाय a is equal to 20. जब कुछ चीज डिवीजन में है दूसरी साइड पे जाकर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी, तो 5n is equal to 20 into 8 that is equal to 5n is equal to 160. 160 divided by 5 that is 32. जब हमारे पास दोनों साइड्स पर वेरिएबल तो हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों साइड्स पर वेरिएबल है तो हम LHS साइड पर सारे वेरिएबल्स ले जाएंगे और कांस्टेंट्स ले जाएंगे RHS साइड पर. यहाँ पर 7y एडिशन में है, जब वो LHS पे जाएगा तो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. -3 सब्ट्रैक्शन में है, जब वो RHS साइड पे जाएगा तो ऐड हो जाएगा. तो 10y minus 7y is equal to 9 plus 3. 10y minus 7y is equal to 3y. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 3y is equal to 12. जब 3 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में LHS में RHS पे जाएगा डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So we get y is equal to 12 divided by 3. Y is equal to 4. Solve. First of all, open the brackets here. You have to solve this equation. Open brackets. 2 into first term of the binomial. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into -5, -10. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into -2, -6 is equal to 8 plus 7 into x, 7x. 7 into -4, -28. 5, 2x plus 3x, 5x, -10, -6, -16 is equal to 7x, 8 minus 28, -20. It comes out to be -20. 5x variables on one side, 5x, 7x जब LHS पे जाएगा तो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव साइन है, यहाँ पे जाके नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. -7x, -16 यहाँ पर है LHS में, RHS में जाएगा तो ऐड हो जाएगा, +16 आ जाएगा. 5x minus 7x is equal to -2x, -20 plus 16 minus 4 आ जाएगा. -2x, -4, -2 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है, यहाँ जाकर डिवाइड हो जाएगा. -4 डिवाइड बाय -2, x is equal to 2. That's all for today class. I hope you enjoyed the session and whatever we discussed here, you already knew that. You already know whatever we have discussed. So please keep practicing maths because I know maths is a subject you cannot do without practice, you know. And you don't have to waste all these holidays. These are not holidays. These are virus break going on. So please stay safe in your homes. Do practice maths regularly with your parents at home, or if you have any elder sister, take help of your elder sister or elder brother at home. Whoever can teach you maths, please take help and be in touch with me. Okay, everyone. So bye for today. Stay healthy, everyone.